Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you are aware, TCS Free NQT has been announced for 2024 batch, and the exam is on 15th of January 2024. This is on campus, and off campus we can expect in February end or March beginning for the other batches. This is just a expectations. Now, students have started getting panicked that how to prepare for TCS NQT exam in another 15 days, right? 15th of January you have exam, so 14 days that month, and here we have another 1 day because 1 or 2 days the new year vibes are there, so definitely everyone will be busy in that. TCS this time is hiring for Ninja 3.3, Digital 7 LPA and Prime 9 LPA. So this 15 days, how you have to utilize so that you will be easily able to clear the TCS examination. So basically in this video, I'm going to tell you the full proof plan for 15 days preparation strategy for TCS NQT. Friends, one thing you need to keep in mind that you need to solve as many previous year problem to crack any of the exam, either it is Accenture, TCS, Wipro, right? So any of the exam you need to solve the previous year problems either from aptitude, from reasoning, or from coding, right? So from any of that, and that's the reason on our YouTube channel, if you'd have seen, I have also started solving the topic wise, uh, right? So compound interest, and then here time and work I covered, then percentage I covered, then previous year reasoning question I covered, previous year aptitude questions I covered, right? So a lot of things are happening. Now you have to make a perfect 15 days plan. Anyway, I will tell you, right? So weekly plan, so this week I will cover this, that next week I will cover this, and next to next week I will cover this. So basically 5 days you have to divide. So for that, friends, in the full plan, you have to study week by week. And here, that crash course is going to help you, right? Because it has everything. Now, so aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and coding. So what I will suggest you, so 5 days you go with aptitude, 5 days you go with reasoning ability and verbal ability, and the 5 days you go for coding, right? See, reasoning ability is less, so around 16 videos, and you can easily watch in 8 hours. Okay. Now, aptitude. So aptitude you have to put more focus. So for 5 days, continuously you go through this video. These videos are more than sufficient, right? So all the topics has been covered. And not only this, we will be also conducting the live classes. So if you have got this crash course, right? If you are a member of this crash course, then we will be soon starting the live classes for 10 days. So 10 live classes before your examination will be done. It will be continued after that as well. But for the 10 days, you will be having this live classes of coding, aptitude, reasoning, okay? And verbal ability. So aptitude, you watch the video. Reasoning, you complete. Okay, so now you go to after that you go to reasoning. Reasoning you complete, and then verbal ability you complete. And then in programming, I will tell you which one to study, right? See, there are a lot of lead codes and all are solved. Okay, but anyway, so you go for coding crash course and then go for TCS NQT programming videos. So this two, that will be sufficient for your TCS examination. And only this will not be sufficient, right? So you also have to cover the previous year problems. So in this particular TCS crash course, no, you can see here, uh, if you go to content and go back, so we have kept fully solved TCS previous year problem. So here we have covered the previous year problem, right, which you have to solve. So see, if you go through also, right, so you see all the problem, advanced level, basic level, each and everything has been covered. So you do not have to worry at all, right? So your preparation will be of very good level, trust me. So this crash course link is there in the description. Get it. And see, if someone wants, sir, daily I will study 1 or 2 hours for aptitude, 1 or 2 hours for reasoning, 1 or 2 hours for verbal ability, and 1 hour for coding. That also plan you can have it, right? So this to plan. So however you want, you can have a plan. But now this 15 days, you have to put a lot of effort, right? And whatever videos we are uploading on YouTube channel, so that also please take it seriously, try to solve the problems, try to understand the concept, right? And definitely if you go through the crash course, all these YouTube videos also you do not have to look at, right? But anyway, if you want once more, it will be a revision for you. You can watch in 2x speed, so it will be a revision for all of you, right? Okay, so the link of the crash course will be in description, and this 15 days you make a proper plan, make a tick mark. Okay, so we are completing, we are 5 days plan is there, we have 2 days plan is there. So however the plan you make, this 15 days you have to execute it, and you will be easily able to clear the TCS. Now if somebody has exams in Feb and March, I will suggest you please get this crash course and start your preparation from now only, so that in Feb and March you will be prepared. And this crash course will not only help you in TCS, it will help you for other examination as well. Okay, so don't think, okay, so for TCS this crash course, for Accenture other crash course. No, see, aptitude, reasoning, coding, it will be same for all the examination, right? So smaller change will be there, and if there is any kind of a smaller change, I will add it here itself. Okay, so thank you, take care, and all the very best.